I've been married for 5 years, 5 good years with 2 kids. My wife, who is a corporate woman, has been supportive. I love her for everything she does for me and contribution to the family. On Easter Day, she received a couple of gifts, including flowers, and I was surprised. I confronted her about it, and she told me it was her boss who sent them. Mind you, we are legally married. I got angry, really angry, and she didn't seem to understand why I'm angry. But why should a married woman be accepting such gifts from another man? I'm not okay with my wife accepting gifts from her boss on such special occasion.
I don't think the flowers should even get to the house. What relationship do you have with your boss for him to be sending you flowers on a special occasion? So maybe they have something going on already.
If there was something you did, maybe you got a promotion, even with that, why is he not giving it to you in the office, like, or sharing it for everybody? But why was it brought to you? Are they specifically ordered or bought and sent to you? Who are you to him? What's going on?
What if, fine, my boss likes me whatsoever. One day he sent this flower and the other gifts to the house. It doesn't necessarily mean that I have something to do with this guy.
Then can we just return the flower and we will return the flower to him? Because what is he doing in our house?
Because if today flowers is coming, I don't know what.
Tomorrow car will come, then I myself, I don't have car.